Steak donburi is a hearty rice bowl dish topped with grilled and sliced beef steak. The steak is coated in a rich and savory soy butter sauce and served over steamed rice with some lettuce and green onions. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Sprinkle salt all over the steak and let them sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. In a small bowl, mix the soy sauce, sake, and mirin, stir, and set aside. We are preparing the toppings. Today we are using shredded lettuce and sliced green onions, but you can also use steamed vegetables like broccoli or green beans. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat with oil and cook the steak for 2 to 3 minutes until nicely browned. Then turn them over and cook for another 2 minutes or until they reach your desired doneness. Pour the soy sauce mixture over the steak and cook for a minute, coating them well. Remove the meat from the pan and let it rest. Meanwhile, reduce the sauce slightly in the pan, add the butter, stir to combine, and remove from the heat. Cut the steak into bite-sized pieces and put steamed rice in a bowl, layer lettuce over the rice, and place the meat slices on top. Spoon the sauce over the meat and garnish with thinly sliced green onion. Condiments such as grated ginger, garlic, or even a dab of wasabi can be added for extra kick. Steak donburi is so easy and delicious. Hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。